How to set up a strike-through sale price on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is actually very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So basically, what I'm trying to achieve here, and show you guys how to actually achieve it most importantly, is that, let's just wait for it to load first. So basically what I wanted to say is that this, we wanted to add a strike-through sale price, so it just says it was a specific amount and now it is this after sale. So it's actually very simple to set up, so let's just go and get to it. So first you will need to go ahead and log into your Shopify admin, obviously, and then you would want to go to products, and then from products you would want to select the product that you want to add the strike-through sale to. So I'm just going to select this one. And then from here, you just want to scroll down until you find the pricing section here. So you'll find two different things here. You have the price and you also have the compare at price. So here you would want to add the strike through price. So here the before. So this is pretty much the after and this is pretty much the before. So before and after. So this is going to be more expensive than this one because this is the one that we want to have strike through. So let's say, since this is 124, I'm just going to do 250 for this one. So it means, in this case, that it used to be 250 dirhams, and now it is pretty much 124 dirhams now. So if we just go ahead and click on save, and we just go ahead and go back to our online store and preview it. For some reason, trying to preview my store, it takes a lot of time to load, so I'm just going to go for it this way. Let me just go and remove this. So if I just go and click on this now, we can actually see we have a strike-through line on the previous one, and then we have the now, after sale price. So this is pretty much how to set it up, and you can also do it with products with variants on only specific variants. So let me just go ahead and set up a product with different variants and show you how to do so. So I have just created this product with 3 different variants. So we have these 3 different variants. And now let's say you just want to go for these 2. So let's say these 2, the orange and purple one, are going to have a strike-through sale price. So in that case, you just go in and select them, and then you just want to click on bulk edit. Once you click on bulk edit, it's actually going to show us these columns here, and we want to click on columns at the top and make sure compare at price is actually visible. And once that's visible, we can just go in and adjust those accordingly. So it was, let's just say 2000. Same goes for this one. Let's say 3000 this time. And we can just go and click on save. And now this is pretty much working for us, so let's just go ahead and view them. So let's remember orange and purple are the ones that we want to test out. So if we just go to customize here, again, I can't really preview my store for some reason. And if we just go ahead and click on that, orange has some sale on it, and also the medium one does have sale on it. Now, yes, it's not showing the strike through for some reason, maybe because it's a variant, but it does show the sale thing here. So that's, I guess, the best that we can do when it comes to the variant options. If not, maybe if you try to change the entire thing, add some sort of a price, compare at price for the general product, maybe that's when it's actually going to appear. But anyways, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.